there is a festival coming 26th to 29th of November in Burkina Faso. So we want to be learning about the festival and from now up to November, and Lady O is not here with us because this program is designed for the history. Gamachi Festival History, West Africa History. The professor we have with us, he's going to tell us by himself. Normally, we listen to the recording version, part 1 and part 2 of the history of Gamachi. So now he's going to tell us in person. If you have any question, please feel free to leave comments. And those of you who will be watching later on as well, you can please leave your comment, or if there's anything you want to understand.
So I'm going to give the floor to the professor to start the presentation.
Okay.
D'accord, donc je la remercie pour tous les efforts qu'elle consent.
Okay, she thank you for different effort that you've been putting to get it done.
Et nous souhaitons que ce projet aboutisse afin que la communauté Gourmandché soit mieux connue.
Okay, you wishing that this project be achieved gracefully so that the community of the Gourmandché people be known everywhere.
Voilà.
Thank you.
Ok, donc merci beaucoup. Bon, comme un rappel, la communauté Gourmandché est issue de brassage de plusieurs groupes sociaux et cela jusqu'au XVe siècle. Essentiellement qu'il y a eu vraiment l'apparition du peuple Gourmandché.
Okay, Doctor is saying that the Gourmandché communities come from the blending of many communities. Okay, so he started from the 15th century, okay, where this blending had been divided, and today we have what you call the Gourmandché community.
Donc, ce qu'on peut dire, en gros, c'est qu'à la veille de la conquête coloniale, donc avant l'arrivée des colonisateurs, vas-y.
Okay, so what we can say about this is that before colonization,
le peuple Gourmandché formait une nation.
Okay, the Gourmandché community was formed as a nation.
Ils avaient la même histoire, la même langue, la même culture.
So they have the same history, the same culture, and the same tradition.
Donc, ça veut dire qu'ils avaient mis en place un système de confédération de royaumes.
Okay, this is to be said that they have put into place a system of confederation of kingdoms.
Donc, mais cette confédération-là avait pour principal chef le Nombado, c'est-à-dire le roi du royaume Gourmandché.
So you have to know that we have the Nombado, which have been chosen as the chief, the supreme chief of the community.
Voilà. Donc, toutes les études qui sont menées jusque-là, on reconnaît que le pays Gourmandché était subdivisé en 18 diemats, c'est-à-dire 18 provinces.
So from that, you can know that the Gourmandché communities has been divided into 18 communities.
Donc, répartis dans les différents pays de la sous-région.
And those communities have been spread everywhere in the sub-regions in Africa.
Alors, donc, mais tous reconnaissent qu'ils ont une même origine, Djaba-Lompo.
And all those communities recognize that they have the same ancestor, which is Djaba-Lompo.
Voilà. C'est-à-dire, lorsque un chef mourait, il y avait un collège électoral local qui était chargé de désigner son successeur.
Okay, so when a chief passed away, there was a college of people or wise people who was designing who is going to succeed him in the throne.
En ce moment, si le nouveau chef est investi, il a l'obligation d'aller prêter allégeance au Numbado, qui est reconnu comme l'aîné de tous les chefs gourmachés.
Okay, so if this person take power, he has the obligation to go and pay allegiance to the Numbado.
Donc, c'est un peu comme ça que les colonisateurs sont venus trouver et ils ont mentionné ça dans leur rapport de conquête.
Okay, it is this way that the colonizers came and find it and put all this information in their documents, okay, to be known everywhere.
Bon, venons maintenant ce qu'on peut dire la pénétration coloniale.
So let's talk about what you call colonial penetration.
Et c'est parti de la conférence de Berlin qui a eu lieu du 15 novembre 1984 jusqu'en février 1885.
Okay, so this dates back to the Berlin Conference, okay, November 15th, 1884 and 1885.
Donc, à l'époque, les Européens étaient surtout sur les côtes.
Okay, at that time, all the colonizers was everywhere in the borderlines.
Mais à partir de 1885, là, ils ont décidé qu'ils peuvent conquérir les terres à l'intérieur du continent africain.
Okay, so at the period of 1885, they decided that they can colonize or maybe take all the countries or communities found in the interland.
Le pays gourmanché était beaucoup intéressé par les Allemands et les Français.
Okay, note that the Gurmanche community was very much invited by the French and the Germans.
Donc, les Allemands étaient basés au Togo, Togoland.
So the German was based in what you call today Togo, but before it was called Togoland.
Ils ont entrepris de conquérir les terres jusqu'au fleuve Niger.
So they have taken the project to conquest the river until they reach to Niger.
Également, les Français qui étaient basés au Dahomey.
Additionally, this is the same for the French who has been based in Benin, before formerly called Dahomey.
Ils étaient surtout à Port-Nouveau.
There was particularly in Port-Nouveau.
Et s'ils ont décidé de conquérir les terres jusqu'au fleuve Niger.
Okay, they also decided to conquest or to occupy the lands until they reach to Niger.
Bon, entre le Niger et la côte, il y a justement le pays gourmanché.
So between the borderlands, okay, and the Niger, there is the community that today we call the community of Gourmanche.
Donc, c'est en ce moment qu'il y a eu une course entre Allemands et Français pour la conquête du pays gourmanché.
So it is this time that we have a competition between the French and the German to conquer, to occupy the Gourmanche community.
Alors, les rapports font état que les Allemands ont été les premiers à arriver en pays gourmanché le 14 janvier 1895 à Pama.
So it is from that time that we can know that the German was the first to come into the Gourmanche community in the years 1875.
Alors, comme nous le disons, il y a eu l'arrivée maintenant des colonisateurs.
So we have the arrival of the colonizers.
Alors, et comme je disais, c'est pour rappeler qu'il y avait les Anglais et les Allemands et les Français.
So it is to remember that there was the French and the Germans.
voilà, qui se faisaient la concurrence.
So they were making concurrence, competition.
Comme je disais, les Allemands étaient les premiers arrivés le 14 janvier 1895.
Okay, so the German was the first one to arrive here on the continent, particularly in the Gurmanche community,
Voilà.
in the 1987.
Et ils ont signé un traité avec le chef Bahama de Pama.
So they signed a contract with the chief of Bama in Pama.
Et maintenant, ils se sont renseignés pour voir s'il n'y a pas un chef qui est supérieur à lui qui le commande.
So they tried to look for someone, another chief who is a superior to him.
Et comme le chef de Makiakwari Tontorba était puissant,
so as the chief of Machakwari was powerful, more powerful, that we call a Tontorba.
On a orienté les Allemands vers Makiakwari.
So we lead the German to Machakwari.
Les Français arrivent dans la soirée.
So the German arrived in the afternoon.
Et ils signent le même traité avec le même chef.
So they signed the same treaty with the same chief.
Et en ce moment, on se renseigne encore et on dit que le chef supérieur se trouve à Nungu.
So they also look for some information and they have been told that the supreme chief is in Nungu.
Bon, les Allemands, les Français effectivement se rendent à Nungu.
So the French also went to Nungu.
Voilà, donc on leur apprend que le Numbado se trouve à Gabo depuis 3 ans.
So they heard that the chief of the Nungu is in Jabo for more than 3 years.
Suite à des querelles de succession au trône.
So because of some battle for the succession of the throne.
Voilà, donc ici le 20 janvier 1895.
So it was signed in the 1875 that.
Voilà, et ce traité va leur permettre de continuer rapidement au fleuve Niger.
So this treaty helped them to continue straight to the river of Niger.
Et où effectivement ils ont pu devancer les Allemands.
So where they went before the arrival of the Germans.
Donc il y a eu la jonction entre le Dahomey et le Niger.
So there was a connection between the Dahomey and Niger.
Et à partir de 5 février 1897.
So from February 1875.
Alors les Français sont venus pour s'installer.
So the French came to settle.
Et il fallait effectivement battre le chef de Gapangu Wabule.
So they have to fight or to combat the chief of Gapangu Numbali.
Voilà, donc par recommandation de Banchande.
So from recommendation of the chief Banchande.
Donc, à partir de la défaite du Gapambaro, tout le pays gourmanché était maintenant à la France.
So from this defeat that the Gurmanche community become under the control of the French.
Ça permet maintenant aux Français de faire la jonction entre le Soudan français et le Dahomey et le Niger.
So this helps the French people to collect the Niger and the Dahomey.
Et puis Soudan français.
And the French Sudan.
Mali actuel quoi.
So which is right now, which nowadays Mali.
Voilà. Donc à partir de là,
so from that,
les Français ont entrepris d'organiser administrativement.
So from that period that the French people start the administration organization.
Voilà. Et cette organisation, on a créé l'Art Volta en 1919.
So from that the Upper Volta was created in the 1990.
Donc les Gourmankeba étaient maintenant entre les colonies du Soudan français.
So the Gurmanche people was between the Mali community,
Haute Volta,
Upper Volta,
Niger, Dahomey.
Dahomey.
Donc il y avait 4 pays qui se partageait le peuple gourmanché.
So from that period that we have 4 countries where the Gumanche people are located.
Et les Allemands aussi, en venant du Togoland,
So the German coming from the Togoland,
eux aussi, ils avaient une partie de gourmanché.
they also have a share in the Gumanche community.
Maintenant, à partir de la Première Guerre mondiale de 1918,
So from the Second World War, 1998, yes.
donc l'Allemagne a été battue
So Germany has been beaten.
et on a partagé les colonies allemandes entre les vainqueurs.
So the German colonies have been divided between the strongest.
Donc en ce moment, le Togo a été divisé en 2, du nord au sud.
So from that period, that Togo has been divided from the north and the south.
Et donc, une partie est rattachée aux Anglais.
So one part is for the English people, colonizers.
Voilà, donc en Gold Coast.
Gold Coast.
Maintenant, à l'indépendance du Ghana en 1957,
so at the time of Ghana independence, 1957,
les populations de l'ancien Togo allemand qui était donné à la Gold Coast, les populations ont accepté de s'intégrer en Gold Coast pour former le Ghana.
Okay, so it is from that period that the population or the people accepted to go to the Gold Coast to form a country that you call today Ghana.
Voilà, c'est en ce moment qu'on a des Gourmancheva qui sont au Togo.
Okay, it is from that period that we have a community called Gumanche, a community located in Togo.
Au Togo français.
Okay, so what we call today Togo français.
Et ceux qui sont partis avec les Britanniques sont des Gourmancheva de la Gold Coast et devenus Ghana.
Okay, so those who went with the English people, okay, has been settled in Ghana. That today we call them the Gumanche of Ghana.
Maintenant, tous ces 6 pays,
so all those 6 countries
sont devenus indépendants.
So all those 6 countries become independent.
Et dans chacun des 6 pays, il y a des Gourmancheva.
And in every country, among those countries, they have some people called Gumanche.
Et comme les gouvernements sont différents, les politiques sont différentes.
As the government are different and as well as the politics.
Voilà, donc c'était impossible maintenant que les Gourmancheva puissent se retrouver puisqu'ils sont éparpillés en 6 pays.
Okay, it's become impossible for them, the Gumanche community, to gather themselves because they have been divided into different countries.
Alors, les Gourmancheva du Ghana, ils respectent les lois du Ghana.
And the Gumanche located in Ghana respected now the law of Ghana.
Ceux du Togo respectent les lois du Togo.
The same for the Gumanche in Togo.
Ceux du Bénin, Dahomey respectent. Voilà.
So on and so forth. From those of Ghana respected the law of Ghana. Those the same people. It is the same for those who are located in Lomé, Niger, and so on and so forth.
Donc, si bien qu'il y avait plus de liens comme ça entre les Gourmancheva.
So this shows that why there is not a connection between the Gumanche community.
Mais on espère qu'avec le projet comme Gulmuma Fierté,
but we hope that with the project or the initiative that you call today Gulmuma Fierté or Gulmuma Pride,
on peut recoller l'aspect culturel qui unit le peuple gourmanché malgré qu'il soit dans plusieurs États.
Okay, we can try to revive the cultural aspect that you call Gulmuma Fierté to bring all the standing dowries together again.
Voilà un peu comment le pays gourmanché s'est trouvé réparti entre 6 pays.
Okay, this is how the Gumanche community is divided into the different 6 countries.
Et dans aucun des pays, les gourmanchés ne sont majoritaires.
In no country among those have been cited, the Gumanche communities are not the majority.
Voilà, donc c'est un peu ça. Et c'est pas les Gourmancheva seulement.
And this is the reality of the Gurmanche community, and it is not only for the Gurmanche community.
Voilà. Si on prend les lobbies, ils sont répartis entre la Côte d'Ivoire, le Ghana et le Burkina.
Okay, this is the same for the lobby who are right now in Burkina Faso. We can find them in Niger, in Côte d'Ivoire, and Togo.
Voilà, les Sénéfos,
the same for the Sénéfos.
Ils sont en Côte d'Ivoire, au Mali, au Burkina.
The same for the Sénéfos. We are right now in Mali, Burkina Faso.
Si on prend les Peuls, là, c'est partout.
The same for the Fulanis.
Donc, mais l'aspect culturel, on peut toujours le faire, hein, et faire un regroupement annuel, faire des festivals, bon, pour que les uns et les autres se reconnaissent toujours dans le peuple Gurmanche.
Okay, so you can say that the Gurumai Theatre as a cultural festival can be the link to gather the sons and daughters of the same community spread in this country today.
Bon, moi, j'ai eu la chance de parcourir les 6 pays.
So I have the chance to go everywhere in those 6 countries.
Dans le cadre de ma thèse.
So this is when I was starting for my PhD dissertation.
Mais ils se reconnaissent tous comme des descendants de Djabalompo.
So they identify themselves as the descendant of Djabalompo.
Donc, bon, si c'est la conclusion comme ça.
So this is the conclusion of.
Voilà. Vraiment, je vous remercie. S'il y a des questions, bon, je suis prêt à donner les réponses. Et les autres membres aussi peuvent donner des réponses parce que l'histoire elle est dynamique.
Okay, so this is the end of my presentation, and I think that it is now time for me to provide answer to the different questions, and I hope that other people will be able to join me by giving some clarification relating to the different questions that will be asked to me. And this is the history of the Gurmanche community, and other people can contribute, because talking about history is not restricted. It is wide, and it is not held by one individual. Other people are welcome to provide with some answer to this question that people are going to ask me.
Et enfin, je remercie ceux qui sont en Angleterre, aux États-Unis, et on espère que le projet va aboutir et que dans quelques années, on va bien connaître la culture Gurmanche un peu partout dans le monde. Okay. Et je la remercie particulièrement pour ces initiatives.
Okay, so I would like to thank you for this endeavor, this effort to help the Gurmanche community to be known everywhere in the world. Okay, I thank you being in England. I want to thank also those who are in Toronto, Lady O. I want to thank also those who are around the world. And I think that by your channel, a lot of people will get to know the Gurmanche community and the culture. I'm so happy to have you broadcasting or showing this information so that people can get to know. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please, can they tell him that we thank him so much, because I'm from West Africa. I don't know many of the things, the videos, the messages he sent to us. I'm learning, and I keep listening to them over and over. If you are from West Africa or Africa as a whole, and you want to know more about ourselves, I will not say Gamachi family or history, is Africa history, mainly in West Africa. Please listen to the part 1 and 2. So if you are in West Africa anywhere and you want to join the festival to know more, I'm sure many people will go to this festival. It is our festival. The history now end up in Ghana. I know more about the connection we have between Ghana and Togo. I know a bit before, but now it goes deep. And I hope you have also learned something from this history. If you are late, please kindly listen to our professor later on at your own time. Maybe you might take 1 or 2 things from this video. Thank you so much. Thank you all so much. Please tell him I said thank you for his time.
Thank you so much.
My father, thank you. Thank you. brother, for
Thank you so much. You too.
for having
So proud of you.
us. I will thank you so much. I will leave you here now.
Okay.
Hopefully we meet again soon.
No,
Bye bye,
Okay.
Uncle.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Okay. Okay.
Families, we will end it here. We will end it here. So next time we will talk about the political side of AES. But today, this is it for now. Thank you for your patience. I'm grateful. Thank you all for your time. God bless you all, and I will see you soon. I will see you soon by the grace of God. So have a lovely evening, and we'll meet again next week. Thank you, everyone. God bless you all. I will see you soon. Bye bye for now.